And we're back. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. This is Lance. We have a new build. This one's a budget build. Customer reached out and said he wanted to do an upgrade to his system in his 2021-22 Chevy Silverado. This is a base model, and so what we're going to do is we're going to take this Chevy base model and we're going to do a new amplifier, an Audison SR5.600, which is a 5-channel. We're going to run the front speakers in a sub. We have the Audison bass knob, which is going to allow you to adjust the sub. We're going to do an Audison 10-inch subwoofer under the back seat, and we're going to do Morel 602 coaxes and components. So we're going to do so we do have some parts for here. We got the front spacers for this one because, like I said, it's a budget build. So we're going to take a little bit of sound deadening. We're going to do those rear speakers here. We're going to put the subwoofer box underneath this back seat because the customer wanted something very simple. Didn't want to go crazy. We're going to do our amp rack in the back, which we normally do anyway. And we're going to build everything the way we want to. So sit back, relax. I'll show you what we do. We'll do some YouTube quickie stuff on it and get everything dialed in. So this should be like a painless build from the standpoints for the consumer, because it's not going to be crazy. It'll be very simple. The challenge would always be that whether or not the system itself performs the way the customer wants. But you know, I gave him multiple options, and he's decided to go this way. And if he wants to add a DSP, he still will be able to do a DSP later on to make it dialed in the way he wants it to overall and performs the way we think it should do. So sit back, relax. We'll pull the truck apart and get everything going, and we'll videotape probably the doors and the wire running and all the good stuff like that. All right, stay tuned. So we ran the wires. I didn't film that, but what we did was we did a simple door panel. I should say sound deadening here. So we have the hush mat here. We did the speaker baffles for the Morel Maximo Ultra coaxials. We didn't do anything crazy with that sound deadening. We just did something simple. Same thing here. Same baffles, sound deadening, nice and tight. We also did the tweeter up here. It's flush mounted. Everything will be factory. And then we ran all the power wires here. So we're doing it high level. So we got high level input here, and we have the speaker output. We also ran the tweeters, so everything's going to wind up back here. Crossovers, amplifier, everything's going to be here. So if he does decide to upgrade, we can do it all back here. It'll be a little bit of work, but it's still be all back here. And as you see, we ran a 4-gauge wire for the amp. We got to ground it. I'll show you the front. So if you're going to look at the wiring, so we ran the wires to all the factory loom here. Up in here, we also grabbed the plug and that T-harness. We plug it up here. Everything's up here. As you can see, the T-harness wiring is right there. Once we pop it all back in, you won't see it. All we did is secure all the wires up here, zip tie. And the tweeter up there. Nice little Morel. Get it all put back together. Oh, and let's not forget the nice little bass knob. So yeah, we'll do a bass knob here. It'll be sexy. The bass knob's already in. So yeah, we got to put the door panel back on, build that amp rack, and then get it from there. I'll show you the video of the amp rack. That's always the easiest. All right, stay tuned.